Many men experience hair loss. It can be embarrassing and frustrating. You might notice your hair thinning or your hairline receding. This can impact your self-esteem. It's important to know that you are not alone. Hair loss can start at different ages. It can be caused by genetics, stress, or medical conditions. There are solutions available to help. Finding the right solution can make a big difference. Don't give up hope. You may have tried different hair loss solutions. Some shampoos promise miracle results. Many supplements claim to regrow hair. Sadly, these are often ineffective. They might not work at all. They could also contain harmful ingredients. It's important to be careful. Do your research before trying a new product. Look for products with scientific backing. Don't fall for quick fixes. Choose products that are safe and effective. ReGenixal Hair Oil is a natural solution for hair loss. It is made with powerful natural ingredients. It is safe and effective for men of all ages. ReGenixal is easy to use. Simply apply it to your scalp daily. This unique formula is designed to combat hair loss. It works by addressing the root causes of thinning hair. ReGenixal is not a quick fix. ReGenixal provides progressive results with continuous use for 4 months. Section 4. The science behind ReGenixal, how it works. ReGenixal hair oil works in 3 key ways. First, it blocks DHT. DHT is a hormone that causes hair loss. Second, ReGenixal reactivates dormant hair follicles. This helps to stimulate new hair growth. Third, it nourishes the scalp and hair roots. This creates a healthy environment for hair to grow. These actions work together to promote hair growth. ReGenixal is a safe and effective way to combat hair loss. It is a natural alternative to harsh chemicals and medications. Section 5. Take action today. Restore your hair, restore your confidence. Don't wait to address your hair loss. ReGenixal hair oil can help you regrow your hair. It can also boost your confidence. Many men have seen positive results with ReGenixal. They experience fuller hair, less shedding, and a restored hairline. Purchase ReGenixal from the official website. This ensures you get the authentic product. Don't risk your health with counterfeit products. Click the link in the description, go to the official ReGenixal Hair website, and start the transformation your hair and self-esteem are asking for.